The less money you spend on clothes, the better wardrobe you can build. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to build a perfect capsule wardrobe in 3 easy to follow steps, but also how to adapt it to your own personality and style. Step number 1, the less money you spend, the better. Did you know that you can double the amount of outfits you can make by adding one single item to your wardrobe? I'll get to that a bit later. First of all, what do I mean with the less amount of money you spend, the better wardrobe you can build? To understand that, first we must go over what a capsule wardrobe is and how we can build one. A capsule wardrobe basically means that you have a limited amount of items, but all those items can be combined to make a lot of different outfits. You see, the whole magic of a capsule wardrobe is that you have a limited amount of items. However, you should never sacrifice quality. For example, a 100 euro shirt made out of wool or flannel will always be better than a 10 euro shirt made out of polyester. So buy the least amount of clothes, but of the highest quality possible. So now you might be wondering, what exactly should I look for when buying clothes for a capsule wardrobe? Well, fit and quality are the most important things. You have to make sure you're buying clothes that fit you perfectly and that you'll be able to constantly wear for many months or even years. All the clothes you will buy as part of the capsule wardrobe are included in 4 different categories. Starting from the bottom up, we have the shoes, which are often the most overlooked item a man wears. Often men will only wear one pair of shoes every day and they will get worn out, and most often they will not even complement their outfit. Then we have the pants. And no, wearing jeans every day won't do the trick. Then we have the inner layer. You have your t-shirts, your shirts, and your polos, for example. And lastly, we have the outer layer, your jackets, your knitwear. But just knowing the 4 categories is not enough. If you have, let's say, 10 different shirts, but only 1 pair of pants, you will be able to make a lot less outfits than with 5 shirts and 5 pants. Because as Steve Harvey would say, any one of those pants should go with any one of those shirts. You see, the whole magic of a capsule wardrobe is in the fact that all the items can be combined. If you have only 16 items in your wardrobe, you will be able to make 256 different outfits. Just think about it. Every shoe works with every pair of pants. Every pair of pants works with every shirt. Every shirt works with every jacket. That's the magic of a capsule wardrobe. And if we take into consideration the fact that the jacket layer is optional, because it is, that number goes all the way to 320. That's almost one different outfit for every day of the year with just 16 items in your wardrobe. And I've got another trick for you. If you add one single extra item, you can get that number to over 500 outfits. What's that item? A coat. You have 320 different items for warm seasons. Simply add a coat and you have 500 items in total. This is of course only with the rule that you can only take a coat over an outer layer. If you take a coat directly over an inner layer, for example just a shirt and a coat, that number is even higher. Step number 2, adapting your wardrobe to your style. Gentlemen, just building any capsule wardrobe won't do. That wardrobe, every one of those outfits should express your inner personality and style. So how do you do that? You just have to find out which one of those 5 styles works best for you. Number 1, smart casual. These are the guys who prefer to wear jeans, leather jackets and shirts. I would never recommend a man go lower than smart casual, for example casual. Because just by adding a pair of leather sneakers, leather jacket or a shirt instead of a t-shirt, you can elevate your outfit very easily. Then we have business casual. Now you will have your sport coats, your blazers. You're not wearing a full suit just yet, but you're not smart casual either. Preppy style is much less common than the last 2. It includes a bunch of knitwear, sport coats, blazers, and that overall look that Ivy League students, especially in the 20th century, gave off. I would personally consider old money to be the newer version of preppy. Then we have business. These are your guys who wear suits all the time. These are the guys who wear ties, who wear leather shoes every single day. And lastly, you have your classic gentleman. He is a dandy who loves to dress up. He will have an entire array of different tie clips, of different shirts, of different shoes. Those are the 5 styles. You have to find out to which one you belong. And how do you do that? I have a quiz waiting for you that you can take for free on my website, link down in the description. Gentlemen, I would also like to mention that all the information that you are receiving today comes directly from my new book, The Confident Man's Playbook: How to Become Attractive Through Style. Inside, you will find many guides on how to dress better, how to improve your style, how to not make any style mistakes, how to be the best dressed man in the room, which will improve your confidence and your attractiveness towards ladies. You can grab a copy on my website, link also in the description. Step number 3, crafting your wardrobe. So now that you know what the capsule wardrobe is and that you have to find your style first, let's go over how to actually build the capsule wardrobe. You see, there are some rules that you should be aware of. First of all, and I cannot stress this enough, you have to focus on the quality of the items. Go for natural fabrics rather than synthetics. The fit is also very important. But the most important aspect of them all are the colors. You see, in order to be able to build a capsule wardrobe, you have to never go beyond 3 to 5 colors. And those colors should either be earth tones or neutral colors, because neutral colors all work together. And another thing, you should always focus on the essentials. So what are the essentials? Well, for the shoes, you have your Chelsea boots, your dress shoes, your loafers, and your leather sneakers. For the pants, you have jeans, chinos, trousers, and shorts. For the inner layer, you have polos, button-down shirts, t-shirts, and knitwear. And for the outer layer, you have your jackets. That's everything from sports coats, blazers, leather jackets, and bomber jackets. You also have knitwear, which can either be inner layer or outer layer, depending on how you wear it. Now you know how to build a capsule wardrobe. You know that you need to choose 3 to 5 colors, find your style, and get the same amount of items into each one of those 4 categories. Also, throw in a coat to double the amount of outfits you can build. And if you want to take it one step further, be the best dressed man, the most attractive man in your social group, I have a gift for you. In the description you will find a free guide you can download right now. 27 easy ways to look better than your classmates and or coworkers. Gentlemen, this is a cheat for you. Read and apply those rules and you'll become unrecognizable. And if you're wondering why I did not mention anything about suits in this video, you should go check out my guide about how many suits a man should have and what those suits are based on your personality and style.